Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 5 favorite tricks to doing a healthy grocery shop. So this way you can go into the grocery store, do your shop, apply these 5 tricks, and you will come out efficiently healthy. And yeah, let's go. Trick number 1. Majority of your grocery shop should be done in the fresh produce section. Try to avoid the processed section as much as possible. If you're spending the majority of your time, the majority of your grocery shop in the fresh produce section, that's what the majority of your shop should be. So when you look in the cart, you should be like, wow, like everything I have is fruits and vegetables. So then when you go home, that is what the majority of your house is stocked with, and then that's what you're more likely to eat. So yeah, stay out of the processed section, do the majority of your shop in the fresh produce section. And then of course you can go in the fresh section where it has the meats and the fish, things like that, if you are one to eat meat. So yeah, trick number 1, stay in the fresh produce section, avoid the processed section. Trick number 2, always read the ingredients. The majority of the time, they are lying to you. You cannot trust the advertising. So if you look at a box, it may say all natural, fat-free, low calorie, healthy, but in reality, it may actually be super bad for you. So always read through the ingredients so that you are positive that you are only purchasing something that is good for your body. I have a full video devoted to literally ingredients you should never consume, so I'll have it linked up above. But yeah guys, always read the ingredients because you cannot trust the packaging. Trick number 3, do not buy the unhealthy foods that you cannot resist. For me, like I love ice cream, and whenever I see ice cream, I'm like, oh my gosh, I really want it. So I'm not going to buy the unhealthy ice cream because I know that I'm going to end up eating it. Especially if I come home and I'm like super hungry, I'm probably going to go for the easy, bad for you foods that I really like. Do not supply yourself with the foods that you know you cannot resist. Only keep healthy foods in the house. So that way, if you're craving ice cream, say, you are going to have to get in your car, drive to the store, purchase the ice cream. It's just like all this effort. So if you don't have it, you're more likely not to eat it. So yes, do not purchase the unhealthy foods that you cannot resist. Trick number 4. Always have your favorite healthy staples in your house. So for me, I always have zucchini, eggs, chicken. Those are like 3 of my main staples. So I always make sure that they are in my house so that those are what I eat rather than going to something that is unhealthy. So maybe every single time you go to the grocery store, you stock up on those staples. And yeah, so then you will be better off and at home, happy eating your healthy foods. And the last trick, and I'm pretty sure the trick that like I feel like everyone's been hearing since they were like 3 years old, do not go to the grocery store hungry. If you go to the grocery store hungry, pretty positive that you're going to leave the grocery store with a bunch of foods that you did not plan on purchasing. So yes, do not go to the grocery store hungry because you're going to be hungry and you're going to be walking through the aisles and be like, wow, those Oreos look really good, and then you're going to maybe end up buying them. It's just not good. So yeah, do not go to the grocery store hungry. Make sure that you're full so then your brain is in the right, happy, good state of mind to be purchasing healthy foods. And yeah guys, those are my 5 tricks. I hope that you apply them next time you grocery shop and that it's a very good grocery shop. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that stuff. Comment down below any questions. I love you and I will see you soon.
Oh, shit, she's mad at me.